Palantir, not too long ago, dropped numbers that honestly look insane. When we talk about the specific numbers that we're referring to, I'm talking over 56% growth in revenue year over year, 82% margins, and over $1.4 billion in operating income. So the question you got to ask is Palantir actually printing money, or is this stock getting way ahead of itself? Let's break it down. If you want more breakdowns on stocks like Palantir, CTM, and other AI plays, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And always comment what it is you want to see in future upcoming videos, as I do see every comment that comes my way and always try to give the content you want to see. Now, before we even look at the numbers, you need to understand what Palantir is. I'm pretty sure everyone here does, and according to Claude here with the annual projections, the 1-year projections it is looking bullish, currently projecting to be around $173.45 in the upcoming year. And it currently is trading at $146.97 as today's market trading day. Now, what you need to know is that Palantir, what it actually does, because this is the first time I'm covering it on this channel, but there are different people that have different opinions and have more knowledge on this stock alone. Palantir is not just another AI company. They're basically a system that takes messy, overwhelming data and turns it into real decisions companies and governments can act on immediately. So it kind of filters through the noise. Well, not necessarily filters through the noise, but it kind of organizes things in a way that makes it easier to make decisions at a faster rate compared to trying to organize all of that information and then having to do it. It takes care of one of the problems right then and there for the companies. Now, another way to think about it is if a company is drowning in data, Palantir is the brain that organizes it and tells the company what to do. The way they do this is through 3 different main products, and those 3 main products, the name of it are Gotham, Foundry, and AIP, which is where things do get more interesting, and it is the newest product that they do have. Now, the financial breakdown of the stock itself, when we take a look at it, we do see here, let me check it out for you guys. Their annual revenue was at $4.47 billion, which signals year-over-year growth at 56.2%. That's not normal growth, as you do know. That's a pretty elite level type of growth. And their gross margin, after doing the calculations, at 82.37%. Meaning for every dollar that they make, they do keep most of it. Operating income was at $1.4 billion. Total assets that they have was at $8.9 billion, and total liabilities were at $1.4 billion. So that also does show you that their balance sheet is very strong. So yeah, on paper, this company looks like it is printing money. But here's what's fueling the hype right now. It's not just the numbers, it's the partnerships. For example, a few ones to name is with Stellantis, Brain & Company, the FAA, and NVIDIA. And even with defense in GE Aerospace, uranium, and there's also multi-domain intelligence platforms. So what this is telling you is that Palantir is positioning itself at the center of AI, defense, and enterprise data. And on top of that, U.S. commercial revenue growth grew 137% year over year. That's absolutely explosive. Now, the catch that you guys do need to know about is, now we've got to be real for a second. Not everything's perfect. A lot of analysts are saying this stock might be overvalued, meaning even though the company's performing well, the price might already be pricing in a lot of future growth. So the real question becomes, can Palantir keep growing at this pace? Because if it does slow down, the stock could definitely feel that momentum, the shift in slowing down of momentum. So the bigger picture of it all is, this is why Palantir is so interesting for you as an investor. It sits right in the middle of AI, defense, and data infrastructure. Some things we talk about in other companies that we've covered, some that we haven't, and some that I will be covering soon. CTM is in defense, applied digital infrastructure. Even LAES does have that security angle. So this isn't just a random stocks. It fits directly into some of the biggest trends in the market right now. And if you want help navigating stocks like this in real time, please check out the community link below, first link below. That's where we break down stuff like this in my free of charge InvestQ community. Now, coming back to the question from the beginning, is Palantir printing money? Right now, the numbers say yes, but whether the stocks continue higher comes down to one thing: execution. If they keep delivering, this could be one of the strongest AI plays in the market. If not, expectations might be too high. And another question I want to have for you is, are you buying Palantir right now, or are you waiting to see things develop more in the future? Let me know in the comments below. I always appreciate your guys' support. Again, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button. I look forward to keep covering this stock. And again, what do you all think about Palantir stock? I'll see you all in the next video. Stay safe and take care.